figured since I'm doing this makeup tutorial thing that I've got to shave. It's time for a makeup tutorial. Let's do this.
Hello?
Hi, is this where I get my makeup done?
Sure is. I'll let you right in.
Alright, thanks. So I've had my makeup done a couple times. It was for when I was on TV, some news shows, and also for some plays I've been in. But I think this is going to be a whole other level. Let's see.
Hi.
Is this where I get my makeup done?
Oh, yes. Yes.
Alright. Stage 1 of the makeup. What is stage 1?
We're gonna find what color matches your skin.
Okay.
For highlight and contour. So we're
Good.
gonna give you some tiger stripes.
Tiger stripes.
This is different kind of makeup than normal makeup though, because it's just highlight and contour. So one step.
Alright.
So it's not really like matching your skin so much as finding the best highlight for your skin.
Finding a good highlight. I like this. Good.
Use this.
I know nothing about makeup, by the way. She does. She'll tell us all about it as we go.
Yes, yeah. So these are highlight colors. So I'm just gonna pick a few and draw them on your face. Look pretty dang good, but I think this one here is gonna be the best for your highlight.
All
And
right.
that color is wheat.
What if I'm gluten intolerant?
Oh, well.
Can I still do wheat?
You can still do wheat. You can put it on your face. Okay, so then we're gonna find a good shadow color too. So this is what's going to chisel out your cheekbones to make you look very masculine. It's gonna give you that
Because I don't look masculine already.
your
Okay.
your manly man face, right? Okay, so this is the funny part.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna come back in with the highlight on the top part. You have man eyes, they're small. They're not
Okay.
big.
Good.
Running around.
Stippling?
Yeah, stippling.
Huh, learn a new word. Because she says she has to cover up all my wrinkles. Good. Now, are these like camel hair brushes, or what kind of hair are they? Alright, soft brush time. See, I'm nervous about my eyes now because of what happened a few weeks ago. When I scratched my eyeball. You guys can go watch the video about it. I'll put the link over somewhere.
This
How we
is
looking?
a beauty blender. Okay, so we're gonna dab out just a little bit under your eye,
Beauty
so it's
blender,
not, so
alright.
it's not too much. That way you won't get any makeup in your eye. This is like, again, sculpting or painting, just to kind of shape the eye more, but not really look like you have eye makeup on. This is a beauty blender.
A beauty blender.
You got
I don't
makeup
want
on
to look
today.
makeup-y. No. But do people ever really want to look makeup-y?
I don't. You can get
Look.
that look with this makeup. I just
Take the canvas and enhance it. right?
yes. I that's all I want to do is it. I'm gonna go back in with this darker contour.
She's going darker.
Yeah.
All right.
I always start lighter because some people are afraid of the contour, but
Not afraid of the contour. Give me contour.
is that no? Yep. Okay, so I used this detailed hack brush for contour and then the highlight, just to get in the shapes. And I used this awesome, what is this, a B squared brush. This is the blush end, which we did not put blush on you. And then the blending end. And then we used the Multitasker tools to find your colors and to do your eyes.
All right.
And then we use this guy to blend your nose.
Nose blender.
It's really for setting powder, but it works good for
Ladies watching, if you wear glasses, you have to use extra highlight called linen.
It's called linen, and it's just for right under your eyes, so that when you put your glasses on,
Then you don't look like this.
okay, so
You want-
I'll show you. So just right. So then you put your glasses on, and it'll be lighter
Now I don't have a big shadow right here.
because it just reflects.
Thanks to Bridget, I look better.
That's the point.
So what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is Bridget'sBeauty_life.
All right.
Instagram.
And you've got some other
We'll put that down below.
pictures and tutorials and stuff on there?
Yes, yes, for the
All
makeup.
right. We'll put the link below.
Should men wear makeup for their YouTube videos or not?
True. Well, because the way this happened was I was on Facebook one day and I saw this message from a friend of 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 a friend that said, I've got some new makeup techniques I need to try out. I need a guy to try it out on, and her husband wouldn't do it. And so I replied and said, sure, count me in. It'll make a good video. And so that's
here
how
we
we
are.
met up, and now I look like this.
Hashtag no filter.
Hashtag no filter, at least until I wash it off, till after I go to the DMV. We're done. See you later. Thanks for the makeup.
Sure. Bye.
Maybe it looks better in the sunlight, I don't know. I think she did a pretty good job. Let me know what you think. It's not gonna be a permanent thing, but still let me know what you think. So, I think it looks pretty good. She forgot to fill my eyebrows. We gotta go back. Let's go.
Hello?
Hi. You forgot to fill my brows.
Oh, yes, yes. Please come back in.
Okay. Thanks. I'm glad I'm so meticulous that I caught that. She didn't do my brows. So, we're going back. Brows. Brows are important. Glad I got my brows done. Had to get my money's worth and go without no brows. We are done now, officially.
Actually, you can do that.
We've got the brows.
Yeah.
See?
Framed face.
Framed face, chiseled jaw, all that stuff.
You ready for camera?
So, okay. Well, I'm already on camera. Thanks for the brows.
Next time you're gonna have to try the micro brow.
The
The tattoo brow.
tattooed brow, yes. Or lips next time, maybe. We'll see. Bye. I'm gonna go get some opinions of what people think of my makeup. See what they say. Let's go. So I need her opinion. What do you think of my makeup?
Do I have makeup done? No,
See?
it doesn't look like
She
nothing.
did a good job, see?
It doesn't look like nothing.
Okay.
You do look a little airbrush, but that's good.
Okay. See? You did a great job. She said it looks really natural. She didn't even know. Good job. What do you think of my makeup? Makeup? See, he didn't even know I had makeup on. See this? She did such a good job. It looks so natural. Looks like me. Thanks to Bridget for trying out some of her makeup techniques on me. Be sure to check out her Instagram at bridgetsbeauty_life. And as always, if you haven't already, subscribe below, check out the other videos, and I'll see you next time without the makeup on.